So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on power options on the top. Now you're going to click on choose what the power buttons do. Now once this comes up, you're going to select change settings that are currently unavailable. Make sure that you have turn on fast start up unticked, like you see on my screen right now, and then click on save changes. Now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now you're going to find your graphics card. You're going to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. I'm also going to be leaving down below 3 links for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I've got the NVIDIA app. And then once you're on our software, you're going to click on the driver tab. Now you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. Now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.